My Canon AX300 camcorder has just arrived, so let's have a little look, see what's in the box. Okay, manuals in various languages. Data import utility disk, guarantee and stuff like that. Very nice too. Power lead, HDMI, sort of mini to standard size, USB, standard size to a little thingy, phono, power supply, lens hood, okay, gun mic clamp, removable handle with XLR sockets on it and audio controls, remote control, clamp for the cable, I never understand those, battery, couple of screws, and the main camera battery there. Okay, that's it. Here's the remote, not sure what I'll be using that, but pop that in there. Plus that way, so plus up like that. Pop that in there. This one comes it out for monitoring. Open that there, and that pops into there. That's where the power goes in there. Okay, these little screws that are in the packet are to fit on the microphone holder here. This is shockproof, which is quite good. That's a rubber bracket there. Okay, going to pop the handle on the top here. Push that into place. Two screws here. Insert the battery. Lens hood on, voila, and then there's a lens cap there, and you can open that by the little slider switch on the side there. Open, close, very nice. Power goes in here, flip that back, put that in there, internal speaker there. So behind this flap, headphones, microphone, USB, HDMI and a socket for a corded remote. Two XLR microphone inputs. We use microphone input level or line level. This green light shows you the battery is on charge. So audio controls for the XLR inputs. Line level, mic level, phantom powered mic gives you 48 volt for phantom powered microphones on one. Select this automatic or manual setting, there's the control for manual, and the same on the second input. Recording tally light on the front here. Start stop recording, function button and a toggle to set the functions. This selects the media playback or camera. Dual SD cards go in here. Infrared on and off. Display battery info there, gives you how much is left on the battery. This switches for the lens ring. You can either set the ring to the focus or you can set it to do zoom from that switch there. It has 4 function buttons that you can preset for various modes. That's number 3 and number 4 there. There's another start stop recording button on the top here. You can actually lock that in case it gets hit by mistake. Here's the zoom control. Telephoto 20:1 zoom lens. Very nice indeed. And it's variable speed. Wide. Close. Very nice. It's got a very nice feel to it. Automatic recording. Sets everything for you. Manual gives you more control. And if you put it in cinema on the menu, you can get various filmic effects. There's yet another zoom button there, which is extremely slow. Whether you can program that, I don't know, but press that and it goes very, very, very slow. It has two built-in microphones, one there above the lens and one on the other side. I've yet to test those. Here's the focus ring. Oh, that's nice and firm, nice and positive. You can use this ring for focus, or you can select it to use it for zoom. You've got a pre-record button which will record 3 seconds before you actually hit the record button, which is great on action shots if you've hit the button late. This is automatic focus and manual focus here. Eyepiece viewfinder. That comes out. This function button brings up the menu on the touch screen. I'm just going to scroll through some of these menus. I can't tell you much because I haven't used the camera yet. Turn it on. Settings. Okay, that's all for now. When the weather clears up, I'd like to take it out and give it a bit of a test. So watch this space.